Thangthang ni phai sirkep arni Borpothar police station ke parlo NH 39 atowar Santapur along ihum bait kachingkoi pen ajok adim along amat inut apran kedam inut ahir ing tangrak areng ahuke sobir takirip dunlong ateng ke hem konglong ke pon ahem konglong si bait aphan patong tekang phit pusi nang pachini donon amat Borpothar police atum chepari deng ponsi sai angdeng an klempon bok. News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong. Non birtang konten ajupon sinang pini ni phai kri si arni analo por phai kri hinni pen hotel hempi along Karbi Culture Society mate Karbi jutang asong la penjakwi asong atum patil pipon se Miss KYF 2023 audition ke paman pon. Labangso audition along round hini padopon ke sia bangki introduction round ke jut sia bangki talent la pen questioning round. Lapen labangso audition along jas atum ke lapuhen lo miro jengpro charme BP kudang rong pipi Juli BP Rabat kiso lapen kaprek atum tanang cerap cito donsi audition padopon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Rahang Chief sponsor IM Sarlun Singh Teron event sponsor Mingsek Family YouTube channel lapen Glass Corner co sponsor lapen Miss KYF 2023 final abang ke non kewang jilang Karbi Youth Festival 49th edition mate Karbi Riso ning sorong aje dikera nerkep angdeng kecok along thangthanga ciklo niphai benar kep arni sonsing ingki achokai along padopon ko lapen Miss KYF ke hai abang phima te winner aphang sonsil Miss Mega Northeast 2023 finalist along ta cepa ok dunlong po pusi birta long dun. News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong.
Hello beautiful people and dear judges, my name is Aoso Drampi. I'm from Dalamara Bachikram and I'm 17 years old and my standard is 9 and my hobbies is making reels and singing and my aim in life is to become a supermodeler. Thank you everyone, have a great 17. Have a great day to you all, thank you.